reverse on turns like this. She's not a bad driver though. She's a pretty good driver. But she do be tripping on these turns though, to be real. She be trying to go 55, 60. Like them. Like them. Like that's her right there when I'm not in the car. That's how she drives. Man.
Isn't this beautiful though? Like,
nah, it is, of course. Catch us. Jesse and Larissa. They in front of us. Who driving? Jesse. Driving like a granny.
That's what Larissa said. She said we ain't gonna make it if she leads.
She driving like a granny. Don't tell her I said that.
She's gonna see this.
So let's show y'all what's in the bag, man. We got good waters for the body. You know we're gonna be hiking today. I got a change of clothes afterwards. Let's talk about underwear, man. See, this is the underwear that I wear. It's very good for the, you know, it's not too tight, not too loose, man. It's just right. I wear the Hanes. All y'all man should invest in some Hanes, man. Yeah, I can't show y'all the Brook spray, but yeah, I can. Here go her bag. She let the pack look like. She got the bug spray right here. You need a flashlight, hand sanitizer, of course, especially with this pandemic going on. You don't need this, but it's always good to bring your ID. You want to leave all your personal belongings in the car so you don't lose them.
No.
Yes.
No.
Well, I'll leave my keys in the car. Look like we're coming up closer and closer. Ozone, yeah, okay, Ozone Church, so we close.
She's driven.
What's going on? GPS malfunction right now. So this is where everybody's parking, I'm assuming.
Okay.
Ozone Natural Falls area. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So that's where we'll be heading. Stay tuned. So we're here. We can hear the waterfall. It's Jesse. It's Larissa. A whole lot of nature in front of us.
So where we had to park?
Oh, yeah. We got to park on the side. Hopefully we don't get a ticket from the popos.
Oh, you didn't bring your stick, baby.
Oh,
We don't need it. Stop.
Here, let me see the keys.
Your little help.
Yeah, let me get my stick, baby. I got 2 of them. For one in front of. Give me my stick, please.
You know what?
See how she be doing.
One of us might need that extra. I might need it.
She tried to run.
Because I didn't want you to take my keys. I do have to key though.
So cool. I give you 500 if you want that on top.
Never in my life would I ever.
Fat Soul, you still recording? Yeah, Fat Shoe Soul. And it's hard on this. This, not hard. This is cloth. A rock can drop on your foot and break your foot.
No,
yes, it would. It'll break your foot. Fragile.
You don't
little
have
girl.
on your socks?
Look.
Oh, is that a
Get it?
shell?
Watch it.
No, don't get it.
Yeah, it's alright. It's right there.
Man, you play too much. When I'm pushing this water. Leave that shell alone.
No, it's dead. There's nothing in it.
Oh, he irritating.
I'm about to get that.
Don't.
Yes.
Dude, watch out, baby. How you gonna tell me I can't? I'm a boy. I do this. You gonna tell me I can't get nothing?
You're nasty. You gotta touch me after you touch me.
It's a souvenir.
Gross. You gotta finish
A shell?
She said I'm gross for picking up a shell.
It's a souvenir.
What's your face on?
I'm not.
Nasty.
I'm
What's
nasty.
in that?
I don't know. What's?
No, I don't want to crack it open.
I said, look right there,
Is the eyes? It look like a booty hole.
girl. Oh shit! I don't know what it is.
I'll jump in from here.
No, you.
What? Depends on how deep it is.
It doesn't look deep. There's like rock.
Well, I say down right here, it's pretty deep.
Babe, we made it.
Yeah, we did. We sure did. Where you want to
How
hang up
you
the
feel?
helmet? I feel good. I'm ready to go swimming. Might. I don't know. I want to get on that side. Oh, let's get on this side.
What, baby?
Get over there.
But them are slippery over there. You see how wet they are? We finally made it. It wasn't too bad. Right, baby? It wasn't too bad?
No, it wasn't bad at all.
The rocks are just slippery.
I'm trying to engrave our name. Fuck, I keep messing up.
Stop cussing.
Judge and ugly. Get some food and not this.
Yeah.
And go on to the next height. Oh, look at this. This is a butterfly wing. Butterfly wing.
Aww.
Did you see the rocks I built?
You did not build those rocks.
You ain't got to tell them that.
So we made it. There's the waterfall. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Good waterfall action. Tell the world about our YouTube channel. Tell them about our YouTube channel.
What?
Our YouTube channel. Tell them about it.
What?
Zack and Rhea YouTube channel. Coming real soon. She be playing like she don't be knowing what I be talking about. Baby, slow down. You're gonna bust your tail. Alright. That's what's wrong with y'all light skins, man.
Go first.
That's what's wrong with y'all light
Since
skins.
you want to leave.
That's crazy. Y'all want to listen. Ooh. Great vibes. Hold on, I'm getting it from right here. Look at these rocks, man.
I love
So good.
them. This is like gonna be a cool on that I'm not gonna do a TikTok. Right here? How? Let's do the easiest one. I can't do that one.
That's the easiest one.
Is it really?
It goes. How's it go, Jesse?
I gotta be tipsy to dance. So. Today's Saturday, right? Have you guys done one? Baby, you messed it up. The first time, yeah.
Yep. No.
That's fine, I guess. Huh?
Restart it.
You're so-
What's up? We back.
We just
Finally
got
made it
back. And I'm exhausted. Stop. We had a really good time though.
A great time.
It was a lot of rocks, so it was kind of like a challenge to get down there.
It was a challenge. It was a big challenge. I'm glad nobody got hurt.
I know, because the rocks were wet a little bit, but it was super fun. I recommend for everyone to go out there. If you like nature, go out there and enjoy it.
Tell me where we was at.
It was Ozone Falls.
Where's it located?
Is it Rockwood?
Rockwood, Tennessee.
Maybe. We're not for sure. We don't know.
Just search it.
Just put Ozone Falls,
Tennessee.
Tennessee, yeah. The waterfall, you said it wasn't as big as you expected it to be.
Nah, it needed more waterfall.
It needed more water?
It needed more water falling off the cliff. It was like this little baby.
It was still worth it though.
Waterfall.
It was worth it.
Nah, of course.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was a good time. And it didn't take us long to get there or to go down or on top of the waterfall. So
Third one?
that was our
Third
third
one.
one? Sure.
Something like that.
Germs. Well,
That's it. Zach and Rita. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.